Hello guys, welcome to the Learning MongoDB course. And today in this video, I would like to show you how to use the Robomongo tool graphic user interface to work with, create, read, update, and delete the Mongo database. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this one is a folder which installs the MongoDB on my PC. And basically, for now, we have to create an instance of RoboMongoDB on this PC, and after that, we will use the RoboMongo to connect into that instance. Okay, so you have to open the command prompt. I copy this one. Here, basically, users need to provide the path of MongoDB and also provide the database path. And after that, you hit enter button to create an instance of the MongoDB service on the PC. But currently, I'm running the Windows Service instance as a Windows Service, so no need to perform this action anymore. Okay, so if on the PC, so you just go ahead to enter here and let minimize it into the window. Okay, so now I will open the Robomongo. I go ahead to connect to the server. Yes. And now right click on the connection name here. You open the cell. Yeah. And for now I will guide how to create database, create collection, and after that we'll create a, document item, insert into the collection. And next we will update the item in the collection, and the last one we will delete it. Okay, so let's get started. You, I will name the database is learn Mongo. You mean create database, and here F F5 to execute the query. It's switched to the MongoDB already. So now I will insert some. I will create collection and also insert the document into that collection. Okay, I will create a product db dot product dot insert. Name product one. Okay, so now go ahead to execute this one. I have to select this one and click on the F5 or this button to execute. Yes, you can see here one record already inserted into the collection. So now I will check it by using the show collection. Select it, F5. Yes, the collection name is product db dot product dot file. The db dot product dot file here, that means we are listing all of the a document inside the collection. Currently we have only one document. Yes, and now I'm going to add the multiple data, insert the multiple data document into the collection at the same time. Copy this one, insert here. Okay, so if you use the insert, it will support the insert many. I will have to copy this one. Two, three, 4, and 5. Okay. Now select this one. Unexpected end of the input. Oh, sorry, we are missing something here. Okay. Yes, you can see here the 4 element already inserted into the collection. And now show it. db those here. For now we have 5 documents in that collection. Okay. 5, 1. The file 1 will return the first records of the result. Okay, so now I will guide you how to. Okay, so for example, currently we have so db dot file. We have file document here. So now I want to delete the document file in this collection. How to do it? You go ahead to click on the db dot collection name, the product dot. You can use the delete one or remove delete one. You specify the object ID. I will edit the comment and I will copy this one. Execute it. You can see here the acknowledged that is 2 and deleted count is 1. That means 2. Okay, so now show it again. db.product.file. Here, for now we have 4 documents left. And I will use the remove db dot collection name product dot remove. The same thing, so I will copy this one. Remove one record in 1 millisecond. Run this again. Here, for now, we have 3 lab documents in this collection. Okay, and now I will try to insert again. Run it again. We have 7 record. I mean 7 documents in this collection. Okay. So now I will go ahead to do the update content for the second one. Okay. So now basically it will able to update the single records or multiple records at the same time. Now db dot product update. Firstly, you have to specify something. Okay, so you have to specify the ID you want to be updated the data. Here, for example, this ID. Yes. And after that, you specify, you set the data for them. Here, I want to update the product. The name for this product is product 7. I will change it to the name product 57. Alright. 5757 $. Okay, and now execute this one. You can see here updated one existing record in 1 millisecond. We'll show it again. Yes, it changed to the new data. Okay, so the update method is also supports an upsearch is true. Okay, so for example, you are trying to update the data for this ID, and actually this ID already existed in the collection. And for example, if you are trying to update the data for some ID which is not in the database, in the collection, so what happened? Okay, so by default, if you using the same here, the same this statement, so when you execute this one, it will display nothing is updated. I mean the 0 records is updated. So if you use this one is absurd true, mean if this ID is not existed in the collection, so if you go ahead to create the new data for this one, if you go ahead to insert new document into the collection. Okay, so I will show demo. For example, this ID not exist in the database. Maybe 8. Let's run it. Oh, we have C1. Okay, so let's see. Nope, ED8. That means we have a new record only inserted into the collection. 8. Okay, so although we have 2 and we don't use this one, and try to run it, you can see here we have 0 record updated, and we still have 8 record, 8 document in the collection. Okay, so now try to refresh this one here, the learn Mongo, this one that way here. Okay, so I hope that's helped, and after you finish this video, you know how to use the Robomongo, and currently the version is 3T111. You know how to use the shell of the Robomongo to work with the create, read, update, and delete the database, the collection, and also insert the documentation document into the collection. And after that, you know how to remove the document and update it, and also delete the data. Okay, thank you for watching, and feel free to let me know if you have any issue. Bye bye, see you later.